So, you want to know the secret to getting the most tips on Postmates? Just keep watching. So, truly, it's really simple. I feel like it's the answer to all of our problems. Basically, communication. So, I actually got this tip from another guy. His name is Brandon. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna link his video in the description box too. So once you go pick up the people's food, you text the customer, you click that, you text them, you say something simple like, I just picked up your order, or this is Shima with Postmates. I'll be there shortly. Simple. That's all you gotta say. And then what he says is at the end, once you drop it off, right before you click like complete, because if you click complete before, you won't be able to get back to text them, to communicate with them. And before you complete it, you just write, thank you for ordering with Postmates, or something simple like that, whatever you like to say. But yeah, just say that, and yeah, that's the tip right there. And the reason why I thought it was so stupid before is because it's like, sometimes people don't be wanting to be bothered. Like, sometimes they don't want you to talk to them, but communication is definitely key. And you're not really communicating with them. You're just letting them know where their food is. You know what I mean? So it's not like you're trying to start a conversation with them. You're just letting them know your food is on the way. I'll put a picture right here of my tips once I started, because I started doing it. The first person that I started doing it to, I got $10. And it's just the fact that you just want people to tip you, you know what I mean? Even if it's not double digits, you still want to tip, because tips is basically how you make the money. Like, you're just getting paid to drive somewhere, but the tips is yours, and that's how you're gonna build your money faster. So definitely try this tip out. It does work. And learn to use communication more in your everyday life. Communication is key.